Okay, hi folks. I want to thank you for stopping by to check out this video. Now, before we get into our product that I want to share with you today, our amazing product that I want to share with you today, I'm introducing this wonderful new program that somebody sent me the information, and I really thought that it was a really great program to get into to make some instant direct payments, okay, made direct to me. Okay, if you get in, guess what? You'll get payments that are made direct to you. It is member to member payments. Nobody touches your payments but you. It's only one time, okay, $50 to get started. You can earn daily, and again, direct pay, instant pay, okay. And I've got some free information that I want to send you, and so I'm going to leave the link to this instant pay program also in the description area of this video. Okay, so again, check out my new instant direct pay system and see if this is something that you can use as well to help you generate some additional funds in whatever else you may be doing. So right now, let's get into our product, our amazing product that's going to help you with heart function, okay? And it's going to help you with brain function, things that people need. I don't care how young or how old you are, all right? Fatigue and stress and all kinds of things can cause havoc on your body, on your heart, on your brain, on the way you think, on the way you act, the way you move, all of that kind of stuff. So we're going to help you take care of that. I'll be right with you in the next second. Okay, so here we are, and this product, okay, the product I want to introduce you to today is the Shopfreemart Pure Mag product, pure magnesium. This is exciting. I'm glad to be able to introduce this product to you. And as a matter of fact, I'm glad to introduce any of our products to you, because we have products that work. We have products that help the body to heal itself. Now, obviously, again, and I say this because we can't make any kind of medical claims. All we can do is tell you that the benefits of, the potential benefits of using our products, and that there are many people who are experiencing wonderful results, incredible results with our products, okay? So Pure Mag, and magnesium now is the most needed mineral in the body, okay? And a lot of things I didn't know until I really got into this company, because you get some powerful information about things that the body does need to help the body to perform at its best. Okay, now look at this right here. It says magnesium is known to prevent heart attacks. That is powerful, beneficial information. Okay, also, if you look down here, it says as necessary for life as water and oxygen. Okay, now we're going to go through these bullet points, and then I want to take you into the back, some more information rather, on the website that is powerful as well. So let's look at this together. Magnesium helps form bones, protein, and fatty acids. Okay, helps to keep calcium mobile in your body, helps to restore insulin production, used externally or internally to relieve muscle cramps. Boy, all this is just great stuff to know. Okay, regulates healthy function of the heart. Okay, can aid in removing excess calcium from the kidneys, helps with sleep problems, promotes normal bowel movement, and there's a widespread deficiency of magnesium in the body due to depleted farm soils. So this is something, okay, that the body really, really needs. And we're going to get into some more information back in the other part of our website. So stay with me for the next moment or two. Okay, I want to share this with you really quickly. I'm not going to go over everything here, but a few things I do want to point out. And my hope is that you'll hear something that will motivate you to look at our products, because I do need to say this: our products are exceptional, okay, and they are products that truly help the body to heal itself. All right, and our products also do one product can do a lot of different things, and so that's the power of what we have with Shopfreemart products. Okay, so we have the Pure Mag Concentrate. Okay, and let's just look at this together. It says Shopfreemart Pure Mag Concentrate is a new chelated form of magnesium that was developed by a team of neuroscientists at Massachusetts Institute of Technology. I know you've heard of that incredible school, and the Tsinghua University in Beijing, who bound magnesium to L-threonate. And I may not say all of these words correctly, okay? The medical terms sometimes get me, but I understand what they do. Okay, hey baby, how you doing? Excuse me for a moment. My granddaughter just came in. Let me just get her. Okay, I'm back. Where was I? Okay, yeah. I was talking about a team of scientists from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and Tsinghua University in Beijing. They bound together magnesium to I think it's called threonate, but I'm not really sure. Okay, but it's a vitamin C metabolite. Okay, magnesium, the master mineral. This is powerful stuff. Okay, magnesium has been called the master mineral because it is essential to life, found in every living cell, and is required for every physiological process that goes on in our bodies. Man, isn't that cool? All right. It is as necessary to life as oxygen and water. And when you run out of magnesium, your heart goes into spasms. It's a heart attack and you die. Okay. Within the last 50 years, research indicates that approximately 8 million people have died from heart failure due to a lack of magnesium alone. And here's the thing about that. A lot of times we don't even know, the importance of certain minerals and things in our bodies that we need, okay, to stay healthy, to maintain optimum health. Okay, magnesium helps form bones, protein, and fatty acids, essential for energy production, insulin secretion, and here it is again, heart function. Magnesium works in partnership with calcium and boron in many physiological functions, including nervous and cardiovascular processes and bone building. Magnesium plays a vital role in the contraction and relaxation of muscles, including skeletal muscles, as well as those of gastrointestinal tract, okay, and muscles regulating blood flow, blood pressure, and breathing passages. Mental and emotional functions require adequate magnesium for neurotransmitter and hormone production. Magnesium is also essential for making new cells, activating B vitamins, clotting blood, and secretion of insulin. Magnesium is essential for the production and utilization of ATP, our energy currency, and perhaps the two biggest symptoms of magnesium deficiency are fatigue and weakness. Isn't that something? Okay, I'm going to show you just a few things more, just so you can get even a better idea of the power of this substance here, this mineral, magnesium. Okay, I want to do this. I want to draw your attention here. It says magnesium deficiency symptoms. Okay, and you can just look down this list. I'm not going to read them all in this video because that'll make the video a lot longer. All right, and I want to close the video out with this section right here. I want to look at some things here. We're going to close it out, and I'm going to invite you to get this product and get some of our other products that's going to help your body. Okay, now there are 3 categories of deficiency symptoms. All right, early symptoms include irritability, anorexia, fatigue, insomnia, muscle twitching. Other symptoms include poor memory, apathy, conclusion, and reduced ability to learn. Okay, so folks, not only will magnesium help with your heart function, but also will help with your brain function as well. Okay, there's moderate deficiency symptoms consist of rapid heartbeat and other cardiovascular changes. Severe deficiency symptoms could lead to tingling, numbness, and sustained contraction of the muscles. All right, magnesium is particularly important for a healthy brain and nervous system. It exhibits anti-stress, anti-anxiety, antidepressive, and neuroprotective properties. However, since magnesium supplements do not readily cross into the brain, there has always been a quandary with the therapeutic use of magnesium for cognitive and mental health issues. Now, with our form of magnesium, you don't have those problems or those deficiencies that you would have with other magnesium products. Okay, so and I'll just encourage you to take a further look at this amazing product. Okay, hopefully I've said something that will encourage you to go to our website and to get more information. Just read up on the benefits of this incredible product. Okay, helping you. In this video, we're just stressing some of it, of what this product will do for you. And that's the helping you the area of heart function and the area of brain function as well. So there you have it. I'm Terry Brown. I'm signing off. Be sure to check out. I'll leave the link also to go to my Shopfreemart website, and also the link to our Instant Pay program as well. I'm Terry Brown. I'm signing off. You be blessed today. Bye-bye now.